I've been doing an ongoing little vlog, I guess, about my Hügelkultur bed, raised bed that I made just by stacking loose blocks. Underneath all of this soil is a lot of trimmings and old logs and mess that was just kind of around over the years that I let accumulate. And I had seen, my wife Nikki had sent me a video showing about Hügelkultur, saying I might use that method to grow some stuff this year. I kind of overdid it. I did a much more substantial bed than she had envisioned, or that probably I had in the beginning. But man alive, is it doing great. And the reason I'm out this morning doing an update is I've been having to hand water it, and you know, water's been it's been such a drought in western North Carolina this year. And I've just been kind of minimally watering it, just a little bit, you know, trying to save water. And it came a huge rain last night, the first one in months. Mercy, it's been so dry. But I'm coming out this morning and just everything looks majorly alive. You can see all those little peppers and stuff that's growing, and the squash, the eggplants, or everything. These are some of these bell peppers were given to me by friends. Some of them we bought. You can see there's jalapeno. I just wanted to show you all this because it's beautiful, and it's done better than I was expecting it to do. And yeah, we might actually have some tomatoes. I see some little bitty tomatoes and stuff on there. This tomato plant was given to us. It was, 6 inches tall. Gosh, I see a big old cucumber down in there that I couldn't have seen from the other angle. I just wanted to show you all this. And yeah, the squash are kind of taking over. They're pretty radical, but man, I've been eating them. I eat squash almost every night with some meat. Just whatever good kind of meat, whether it's crab cakes or salmon, or some turkey I ate last night, and sometimes a little bit of pork. Just hamburger or steak, and I'm using these peppers and squash and eggplants and cucumbers and stuff to support my meat. And I just think it's beautiful. I just want to take a few seconds to show you. Hendrix comes out every morning and we look at it. Usually we water it and then we throw a ball or something. Today I thought I would just come out and show you. And I see a few little weeds coming up there, little blades of grass. I can reach across up here and just pull them. It's been a pleasure. It's a lot of work this summer to get this thing going. This end down here, I've mentioned in previous videos, this is where I put nothing but Miracle Grow garden soil, and I can tell a difference. I mean, there's no doubt this was all just native stuff that I had around here and stuff that I bought at Foothills Mulch and Stone, so I'll give them a shout out. So there's some garden soil in there, but mostly this is filled with about 1.5 feet of Foothills Mulch and Stone organic soil. I've pulled such huge squash out of here. Every couple days I go in and start lifting up leaves, and I'll see some stuff in there that I need to pull. I pulled a bunch yesterday. Bees are loving it. That's it, folks. Hügelkultur bed. It's a cool trick. Peace to all who watch from western North Carolina, Foothills. God bless you all.